Hey everybody, welcome to the Flamethrower Grill. We got Scott here, and today we are smoking a turkey. That's right. Leaves are falling. It's that time of the year here in Michigan. We're just outside of Detroit. So we're going to do a turkey breast. Not the whole turkey right now. Turkey breast. That's right. And what do they call that? It's I don't know if you're familiar with, but around here we've got this honey baked ham company, honey baked ham. I don't know if you ever heard of that. They have honey baked turkey as well, which is just to die for. But we're doing it right here at home, and ooh, it's going to be better than theirs. And I can show you how to do it. It takes about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes, 2 hours start to finish with some prep time, right? So here we go. Honey butter glazed ham. No, it's not a ham, it's a turkey. Honey butter. This is a honey butter glazed turkey breast. It's a honey butter sugar glazed turkey breast. It's a honey butter sugar glazed turkey breast with a dry rub and injection. honey butter sugar glaze, dry rub, liquid injection, turkey breast. Get ready. Watch how I prep this bird. Okay folks, here we have frozen turkey breast. You can buy these at any of the grocery stores. We're going to do this skinless today, so I'm just going to go ahead and real quick take this skin off. You can basically just rip it off. Take a knife, if you can kind of fillet along the membrane here and get this skin off, trim it up, get rid of some of the fat. Kind of sliced into it, made a little mistake. Not the end of the world, but I don't like doing that. Now all you've got to do is just get under the skin here, pull it back, work it off. Alright folks, so here we go. We got the two turkey breasts, got them cleaned up. Alright, today I just picked out a rub, kind of a Kansas City style. It's really sweet, smoky. Alright, we're going to go ahead and coat these. And don't be shy. We're going to coat them thoroughly. Alright? Even going to get in this crevice here, right? Oh yeah. Oh, this stuff smells pretty good. All right. Now comes the magic. We're going to do a little injection here. This is just a Creole garlic. It smells absolutely amazing. So just going to kind of scrunch these up a little bit. All right. There we go. Okay, we're going to load these up. Don't be shy. Put it in there. Some of it's going to squirt out. Don't worry about it. These are relatively small breasts here. If you so I'm going to have a lot more gushing out. There's just less volume. Relatively small bird. It's only several pounds. This breast here is probably about I think it's for 4.5 pounds. A little small one. You can use any injector you want. You can even use butter, whatever. Okay, and I got a lot more injection outside than I really, oh, I can't believe I just squirted it in there. I just squirted it in there and probably contaminated that whole thing. Don't ever do that. That's probably not going to be any good now. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and get this on the smoker. All right, folks, I've got my smoker here. I've got a drip pan with a little bit of water in it. Got a couple chunks of hardwood in there just to smoke it. I'm going to take these, sit it over indirect heat over that pan. I'm going to scrunch them together a little bit. Tighten them up, so to speak. Okay. Especially this one here, it's a little loose. So I'm going to tighten it up a little bit, okay? I got this set at 300. We're going to let this go about 40-45 minutes. I'll be checking on it. All right, folks, it's been about a half hour. I melted some butter here. I did a temperature check. We're about 105. I'm going to go ahead and drizzle this butter on here. Not going to brush it, just drizzle it. Okay. Just let it drip all over there. Just get a nice little quick pony. Alright. Just plain butter. Alright. Looks good, looks good. Okay, we're going to give it about another 15 minutes and check it. Alright, folks, look at that. Fantastic. Butter's starting to brown up a little bit. It's been about another 15 minutes. We're up around 140 degrees, 138, 140 degrees, I think it read. All right, we're going to drizzle a little bit more butter on here. One more time. We're not brushing it, just drizzling. All right. Okay, look at that. Okay, another 15 minutes. All right, so right now we're at 45 minutes. We're going to let it go another 15 minutes, check on it again. So in 45 minutes, we were at almost 140 internal, okay? Basted it at 30 minutes with the butter, at 45 minutes with the butter. Now keep in mind, these are small breasts. If you've got the large turkey breasts, you know, that are 5 pounds, a few pounds a piece, you're going to have to, you know, extend the time, double it. Okay, but in any case, this is small. You can see the size of these. These are about double the size of a chicken breast. Okay, I think it was 5 pounds. The breast was 5 pounds, if I'm not mistaken, maybe 6, but pretty small. All right, folks, here comes the final magic. I've got here honey, brown sugar, and butter, and we're going to go ahead and brush this on there, or just drizzle it. Okay. Honey, brown sugar, and butter. Coat this generously. Drizzle it all over. Soak it. Oh yeah. We're at 150 degrees right now. I want to go 10 more degrees and we're done. Just enough to let this caramelize a little bit. We're not done. I got one more step here. Okay. Here is the magic. All right. I'm going to drizzle some white sugar on here. And this is going to crust it up. It's going to make it a little bit of a kind of a sugary crust, which is amazing. Not a lot. You don't want to get crazy, but you do want to get it covered. Okay. I had an extra shaker I was going to put it in. I couldn't find it. I don't know. Things disappear around here. Anyway, there we go. All right, very good. Now, just a little more drizzle. Just a little, that honey, butter. And you know what you say at this point? Sweet. Okay, there we go. We're shutting this down. 10 more degrees, and we're going to call it. There we have it, folks. Look at that. All right, let's give this a try here. Let's see what we're at. Okay, that one, we're at 162. So that one's a little over. Let's check this one. I might have went a little too deep towards the bottom, but let's get the center. There's the center. I think I went too deep on that other one. All right, that one's at 157. Let's go ahead and check this one again. I think I went way too deep and I was coming out the bottom. Need to get an instant read. Okay, let's see what this says. Yeah, see, it's only at 154. All right, the other one was like 157. It's a smaller breast. Okay, we need to let this go a little bit longer. 5-10 minutes max. All right. I'll just kick up the flame a hair. I've been right around 300 the whole time. So, folks, there they are. I ran out of water in the pan. It's burning. That's not good. But here we are. This one's at 161. And let's go ahead and check this other one. See if I can do it without burning myself. Check this other one. They're looking fantastic, aren't they? And that's at 160, 161. We are done. I'm calling it. Look at that, folks. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Here we go. All right. Just beautiful, huh? We're going to let them rest for about 30 minutes. Then we'll carve into them. Well, okay, well, folks, here we go. Look at this. Doesn't that look amazing? They've been sitting about 25 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and slice these things. Now, what I would suggest is going on an angle. Well, I'm going to eat that one. And you can go as thin as you want. Sandwiches, serve it like this. You could put gravy. You don't need it. Okay, there you go. And this is kind of how I would just serve it. Once you get to this thicker end, you can kind of cut more straight down. You can serve it just like this if you want to go ahead and make sandwiches out of it, whatever you like. And I would just kind of serve it just kind of like this. All right? So look at that, huh? Let's take a look at this. Oh, that's very moist. can see the injection in there. You see that? The seasonings, look at that. Interesting. Well, there you go, folks. Enjoy it. Give it a try.